Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. And right now I had a incredibly hard time trying to set up my laptop to record, but I was able to get to it. I am on vacation after all, but I want to give you guys a little bit of analysis while I am on vacation. So right now we don't have that daily close yet. It is coming in 30 minutes, so we did take a little bit of a dip today down to 20,800 again. Really, like, some people are calling it dumping. To me, it's more like a fart in the wind, not really moving, just trending sideways. We are still in this symmetrical triangle right here. Eventually we will break out of it. We are getting to a climax, so expect a move up or a move down, but in my opinion, I still think we will get that move up to at least 25,000, at which point we will get a strong reversal to the downside. In my opinion, we could take a look right here. We have some confluence coming right here. We have a major trend line, and on top of that, that previous low right here from when we broke down from 39,000 all the way down to 26,000, and then we got a perfect measured move, as you can see right here. There you go, a perfect measured move. Now if we do start to come back up, you are going to meet that resistance point. There we go, my computer's loading. The laptop is a little slow. If you do start to come up, your max upside in my opinion would be about 25,652. If we push higher than this, and this is saying a lot if we do, and then you're going to run into this resistance box around 30,000. Again, a bit of a sideways day in the markets, as you can see right here. Not much action, but I still expect some upside in the traditional markets as well. And you can take a look right here, the SPY looking to tag that. There we go, same type of pattern as well right here. A downwards trend line and a gap fill right here, right around 4,000 basically. Oh, sorry, 400 on the SPY, basically 4,000 on the S&P 500. So the SPY is just the ETF I use to trade the S&P 500. But yeah, overall, if you guys want to see my stock trades and my crypto trades, you guys can join the Discord. Also, a little bit of analysis right here. We did end up closing that 300 weekly. I mentioned it in yesterday's video, I think, but I was a little bit too tired to do more analysis, and this is the first time we've closed another candle under that 200, sorry, that two, I don't know if I said 300, but it's that 200 weekly moving average. So we are making history. Bitcoin is in a new environment. We've never seen Bitcoin in a high inflation environment. We've always seen Bitcoin in a low inflation, or sorry, at least according to the traditional the CPI that the Fed uses, a low inflation environment. 2% inflation from basically 2008 all the way to today, in a low interest rate environment as well. Now we're going to see it perform in a high interest environment and in a high inflationary environment. So the fundamentals of Bitcoin really speak to me that it is going to be a scarce asset, and it will perform well in a high inflation environment because the Fed will be ultimately unable to tighten, as the debt levels are extremely high. Also, with unemployment will rise. As you raise the rates, unemployment will rise. I know a lot of people don't think unemployment will rise because of the huge shortage in the labor market, and it's a huge demand for jobs right now, but I still think as you raise the price of doing business, cost of business, people will start to lay off laborers, and ultimately may even close down their businesses. And you're going to see this in the traditional markets, as a lot of the tech companies won't make it out, and the same thing for the altcoins. A lot of these altcoins won't make it out of this market. A lot of them are going to go to zero, and that's why you got to diversify into not only crypto, but you want to get into other assets such as commodities and stocks, and you want to hold the correct commodities and the correct stocks as well. If you can't just go willy-nilly on everything, right? So that's the kind of stuff you'll find in our Discord, and if you guys want to join, the link is in the description. But yeah, that's about it for today. Not too much more than that. Actually, we saw the DXY get a nice dip down right here, still finding some support at 103.82, but eventually we will break in if the DXY gets a sharp move towards the downside, and this is saying a lot too, given the current market that we are in. But if the DXY does get a move down, you can expect the Bitcoin price to get a move up towards the upside. We can see we're getting a little bit of movement right now, but let's just see where the daily closes, and let's see where we go in the coming week. So this week I still expect Bitcoin to be a little bit more bullish than bearish, but yeah, I'm gonna let my trades speak for themselves. My profit loss history is on my website. You guys can check it out there. Love you guys. Peace.